finally here. We waited forever, and we got our box, baby. Let's see what we got. We got a really good deal on some threes, some retro threes. I'm super happy with how they turned out. They look super nice. The box is a little beat up, but the shoe came out in 2019, so it's a year old. Anyways, it retailed for $200. Let's take a look at what we got here. Some item numbers. Jordan Airs. Nice, authentic box. Got the Beaverton. Tinker Hatfield. There's the Air Jordans. Nice, baby, nice. Then on top we got that insignia. And then, yeah, Tinker Hatfield. Basically in that red. And then it's kind of shiny too. And for the main event, we got a really good deal on these two. Inside of the box is red. The guy must really like red. Paper's kind of got that cool design on it. And booyah, booyah shaka. We got the retros. Straight out the box. We got them from StockX. Can't lie. We'll show you the price tag here in a sec. Those are looking money. Got that really cool design, just like the paper. Embedded in there. Man, these are so nice, almost afraid to wear them. Got that really cool star design in the sole. This shoe originally came out in 1988. And then they re-released this color in this version. There's a reflective material on the tongue. Goes all the way through the tongue. And then on this lace part too. And then also on the swoosh. Classic Air design. Got the gold. Got the gold to gold. I love that gold. Got the Tinker Hatfield signature on the tongue. We got original Bodie boat inside of the, that's really cool. It's got the shoe on there. We'll definitely probably try to get the signature down in there. Try to see if we can put tape on that. I don't know, probably wouldn't work. Try to put clear tape on the inside part of the shoe. Try to restore that, but I mean, who really cares? We got the second one. We got our certification sticker from StockX. That's the best part about StockX. They do the guaranteed certification. So they verify that the shoe's real before it gets sent out. And then they'll put that really cool. I'll just keep that on there like what? Yeah. Got that toe. These are just so sharp. Just love this shoe. What would you think I paid? How much do you think I paid? Retail on the box suggested $200. $200. All right. What would we get it for? Where's the information? Where's the info? Here we go. Boom! Tinker Black, Cement Gold, StockX, $180, $145, $5 processing, shipping, highly recommended, 100% authentic. I'm gonna try them on here in a second. But they're just, whew. Yeah, let's throw these bad daddies on. Why not? I'm loving them. I could fit 10 or 10 and a half. My 10s are kind of little snugs. Oh, those are smooth. I'll be slanging all day, T-Mobile. Knees. Woo! It's ballerific. This is a cooler little. They got some dope Rolexes too. And it got a cool StockX sticker. The website's really cool. You guys gotta check it out. Because you think about it, a shoe like this would be hard to find, especially with everything being closed. And to get it so close to, I mean, that's a good deal. I shopped around a little bit, but I'm really impressed. Really happy with them. I like the inseam on them. The outer. Anyway. Sweet. Good design. Anyway, we out. Till next time, y'all.